Northeast India is a place of mystery, green hills, quiet rivers, and hidden wonders. Tucked away is Sikkim, a storybook of high mountains, deep valleys, and pure, crisp air. Exploring Sikkim isn't a typical holiday. It's an adventure into the unknown. Sikkim is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a kindness, and the flutter of prayer flags. And so, the adventure begins. Zuluk, a tiny Himalayan village, once welcomed silk route traders. Now, it's a haven of colorful houses and warm people, embraced by mountains. Nearby Nathang Valley shifts from green to white with the seasons, yaks grazing in peaceful silence. These villages are living museums, where echoes of the Silk Route linger in the wind. Life moves gently here, shaped by nature and tradition, a rare glimpse into a world preserved in time. The journey to Zuluk and Nathang is an adventure from the start. It begins in Gangtok, Sikkim's capital, with a special permit, reminding you this is no ordinary trip. As you leave the city, roads narrow and the air grows cooler. The climb is steep, the valleys deep, and every turn reveals a new landscape. The famous Zuluk loops, 32 hairpin bends, zigzag up the mountain like a coiled snake. Driving here is both thrilling and humbling. You see the road you've conquered far below. The journey is slow, demanding patience and presence. Each bend offers a fresh view, lush forests, tumbling waterfalls, waving children in tiny villages. As you ascend, the world you know fades, replaced by clouds and silence. Reaching Zuluk feels like arriving in the sky itself. From here, the road to Nathang Valley climbs higher, leaving trees behind for rugged open land. The weather shifts quickly, sun, fog, even snow in a single day. This unpredictability is part of the magic, a reminder you're in nature's hands. The journey isn't just about reaching a place, it's about transformation. Every mile changes you, preparing you for the peace that awaits. In these heights, you find clarity and awe. The Silk Route's hidden villages are not just destinations, they're revelations. Here, the adventure is as much within as it is on the road. The beauty here is raw and breathtaking, a masterpiece by nature. Towering mountains led by the mighty Kanchenjunga dominate the horizon, glowing gold and silver in the sun. The Zuluk loops, with their perfect curves, are as much a part of the scenery as the peaks themselves. Each bend reveals a new vista, a fresh perspective on the valleys below. The weather is ever-changing: sunshine, fog, sudden snow, turning the landscape into a living painting. Forests of rhododendrons burst into color in spring, while alpine meadows bloom with wildflowers in summer. The air is crisp, the silence deep, and every sense is awakened. Here, you feel the power and peace of the mountains. The landscape is a festival of colors and contrasts. Nature's drama unfolds with every passing hour. It's a place that humbles and inspires. In Sikkim's highlands, you witness the artistry of the earth itself, and you carry that wonder with you. Life in Zuluk and Nathang is simple, resilient, and deeply connected to nature. People here, mostly of Tibetan and Nepali descent, have adapted to the mountains' rhythms. Summers are for farming and grazing yaks. Winters bring snow and stories by the fire. The kitchen, warmed by a wood-fired bukhari, is the heart of every home. Hospitality is a way of life. Travelers are welcomed with hot tea and open arms. Language barriers fade with smiles and shared meals. Many homes are now homestays, letting visitors experience local life up close. Stories of the old Silk Route come alive by the hearth, connecting past and present. Prayer flags flutter everywhere, carrying hopes on the wind. The mountains are sacred, and life here is lived in balance with nature. Sustainability isn't a trend, it's tradition. In these villages, you learn that happiness comes from simplicity and respect for the land. Their way of life is a lesson in harmony. The adventure here is woven into every twist of the Zuluk loops, 32 bends that test skill and nerve. From Tambi viewpoint, the serpentine road unfurls below, a marvel of human effort in wild terrain. Sunrise from Nathang Valley is pure magic. The first light turns Kanchenjunga's snow from white to gold. Each viewpoint and high-altitude pass offers a new sense of wonder and accomplishment. The air is thin, the wind fierce, and the views unforgettable. The thrill is in the small moments: yaks grazing, rare birds, silent snowy walks. The region is a playground for explorers, hiking, wandering, or simply soaking in the beauty. Here, adventure isn't about adrenaline, but the quiet power of the Himalayas. Every sunrise, every bend, is a reminder of nature's grandeur. The Silk Route rewards those who seek its secrets with moments of awe. In these heights, you feel truly alive. The journey is as much about discovery as it is about the destination, and every memory lingers long after you leave. Food here is simple, hearty, and perfect for the cold. Rice, dal, fresh vegetables, momos, and steaming thukpa. Butter tea and chang, the local drinks, warm both body and spirit. Every meal is a taste of tradition, connecting you to the land and its people. As travelers, we must protect this fragile ecosystem. Leave no trace, respect local customs, and support the community. Stay in homestays, buy local crafts, and always ask before taking photos. The Silk Route is more than a trip. It's a journey into a world still pure and untouched. Here you learn about resilience, simplicity, and the power of nature. The memories, winding roads, golden sunrises, warm smiles, stay with you long after you've left. This journey is a reminder. The best adventures are found on roads less traveled. Sikkim's hidden villages offer not just beauty, but wisdom. In their quiet, you find your own. The traveler's pledge is simple: leave only footprints, take only memories, and let the spirit of the Silk Route guide you onward.